So my sister just do whatever she wants and not telling me what to for the CR. For cooking. Legs, legs, legs. Day 4 here in the site. Hello guys, welcome to our day 4 here in the site. So we're trying to figure out how things done really fast, and we arrived here late at noon already, so we're going to have lunch right now. So anyways, don't forget to subscribe for more videos and click the notification bell to get notified for the latest upload. Wood for cooking, then this one, the hollow blocks for 9 pesos per each. So that's the progress. There's soil dump here, and then this is like 1,200 per dump. So we're having lunch. Pork soup. So we have a dump truck. It's going to dump soil here. Oh, it's so dusty. Oh my gulay. Oh, it's so dusty.
You said, let me tell you everything I've seen, the friends I've made, and then you tell me how you've been. Look a little closer, it's been quite some time. You gotta let me know if I'm out of line. But there's some words that I just...
So in today's progress, there's 11 loads of dump truck dump here. So this is what it looks like, and then there's already roof, and then there's walls already. Oh, there's one more. There's more truck. Yeah, so we bought this one for the CR. Then there's dump truck also over here.
To put it all straight before this night turns into day, and then I'm on my way. Yes, I'm on my way. A bit naive and so eager to please. You know I played for love, but it got me.
Another truck.
Now's the time to reap what I've sown. Your words echoing in every single bone. Underwater, so far out at sea, there's no cure for what you're telling me, and soon I'm on my way.
So there you are. We put the beans already, the green beans. And so we have here squash, and then this is pipino. This is sikwa, pepper, and then green onions, and then onions. Yips. So we put the squash. Now it's boiling, while here we're cooking some chicken. So that's the chicken. The squash, it's boiling and cooking. So right now, Samantha and I are going to make some cheese donut. So we have here 2 cups of flour, 1.5 tablespoon of baking powder, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Come on, mix. Yeah. Careful. This is optional. Add some cinnamon if you want cinnamon. 1/2 tablespoon of cinnamon. Mix. Yeah, aja pa sa diba? 3/4 cups of evap milk. Nah, we do it. It's hard for you. Okay, go. This is beyond your control, Sam. So add some vegetable oil, 1 tablespoon. And continue mixing. So this is it. We're done mixing it. So set aside for at least 1 hour. Put in the sink, Sam. Garbage. So chicken is done, and then the soup is done. Just put all the ingredients for the last part. So my sister just do whatever she wants and not telling me what to film, you know?
Yeah.
I forgot. So this is our brunch. This is the squash soup with chicken. This one. And the rice right there. Get your chair, Sam. Say hi. Yummy, Sam.
Yes, I'm on my way. This pain is not of the ordinary. Every time that I breathe, I can feel your worry. So I have to take my love and ride.
Just like this. Put some cheese inside.
I'm on my way. Yes, I'm on my way. I'm on my way. I'm on my way.
We put cheese inside already. It's done. Now we're going to cook it. You wash your hands, okay na? Isa ko mo okay. Sam, happy tita. Like that.
Ano?
Yeah. Oh. Like this. Oh, circle. Manaoy. Like that, Sam. Flat. Flat, flat. Yeah.
Ano man?
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
See, yeah.
Ano eh? Siapa nyoba kalau aku pasal coba tak? Siapa tu apa?
Manay mo nga, oy.
Mura managkuhan.
It's clean, okay? It's clean.
Kami dito.
Mm.
Besar size.
This one, circle.
Shirky.
Circle. Ah.
Uy.
Naoy.
Mama.
Ah.
Magmama lagi na niyo mustita.
Malay ko niya. Why you call me mama?
So mama. Where's not mama?
Where's your mama?
So mama. Face.
I'm on my way. Yes, I'm on my way. my luck will shine.
I met him on a sunny day in late July, and everything turned upside down. I almost lost track of time as weeks went by. I couldn't get him off my mind. I told him I want that great love, like standing in the middle of a bonfire. You don't know how you got there, but you hold tight, knowing that you can't get burned.
So this is it. This is the finished product. We will try it later. Cooking the other ones, and then let's try it later. Mmm. Mmm. Yummy. She told me earlier yummy, but now she's not paying attention because of the video. Hey. Legs, legs, legs mo ay nakakasilaw. Legs, legs, legs. So we are going to try right now. This is the finished product. I have here honey for sauce or dressing. Mmm. Mmm. Lamig tayo. Uy, legs na mo, lubog. Laro kay camera. Mmm. Yummy, Sam. Hi, Sam. You like it? Yummy?
Yummy.
Yay! Yummy!
Yummy.
I like it. She likes the donut with cheese. That's probably her third piece of the donut. What are you doing? Don't forget to subscribe for more videos, and don't forget to click the notification bell for
When I saw you, I would lose control. Made me feel like there was no tomorrow. Should've told you that you're beautiful, but the days pass and now it's so long ago.